So before we get started on the tutorial, I wanted to take a minute to show you something that I use to keep Charlie busy while I'm braiding her hair. It's called the Cinemood, and it's a little miniature projector that's super bright and super lightweight, and it projects a picture anywhere you want. It connects to Netflix and Amazon, and it's perfect for using while you're braiding somebody's hair. Okay, so the first thing I did was add texture to Charlie's hair using the Sambia texture iron. It adds really tiny texture and a lot of volume. So the next step was to do ponytails in a line down the middle of her head. I used little kind of V partings like this. Got real quick, you can see. And I just took them all the way down. It doesn't matter how many, just do as many as it takes. And then at the very top elastic I covered with hair, just to hide the elastic. The rest of them shouldn't show, so it shouldn't be a problem. Okay, so take the hair from the first ponytail, split it in half, and you're just gonna do a fishtail braid a little ways, maybe like an inch or so. Okay, so basically I did the braid until I reached the next rubber band. So once it reaches right there, you can go back through and pancake this braid a little bit. And then I'm going to take the next ponytail and I'm going to put each half around this ponytail. And you can put this out of the way. And you're going to join the two pieces to the ponytail underneath. Okay, so now that you joined them, you're also going to want to pancake this piece a little bit. Okay, so then you're going to do the same thing that you did with this one down here. You're going to fishtail just until you get to this next rubber band. And now the same thing. I'm gonna go take it, the halves, put it around the next rubber band. Get this out of the way. Can you hold that, Charlie? And then I'm going to go to the next rubber band and pancake this. And let this down. And then I'm just gonna repeat these steps all the way down. Okay, so once you get to this point, you can keep going with the same pattern, only you're just gonna make a new ponytail underneath this one and around, or you can just continue with a regular pull-through braid, whichever you desire. For this one, since it's a fishtail in the photo, just to show you something different, I will do regular pull-through the rest of the way down. I'll just split it in two, put one on each side of the ponytail, and then connect them right underneath.